Hello, I'm pleased to introduce you to our Copernicus Climate Change Service from an operational angle and to illustrate how we serve our users. During this short video, my colleagues dealing with various components of our service will present you their testimonials on what it means for them to be operational and to drive a user-oriented climate service. Enjoy.
Climate data has never been as important as it is now. But to make a difference on the ground, the creation of such data, its distribution and curation needs to be operationalized and standardized. This is the primary goal of the Copernicus Climate Change Service, one of the 6 services under the auspices of the Copernicus program.
C3S is a young operational service which provides transparent and traceable climate observations and data for free. To achieve the ambitions of the European Green Deal, we need to understand climate risk. And to do that, we need data from the past, from the present, and from the future to ensure it's relevant for society to mitigate and adapt to a changing climate.
The climate data store is the core infrastructure supporting the implementation of the C3S service. It provides access to a wide range of datasets and applications and allow users to build their own applications, maps, and graphs. Just some numbers. We have more than 65,000 registered users. And on a daily basis, we process 500,000 requests and deliver 70 terabytes of data. In the backstage, the infrastructure is hosted in a private cloud. And there is a dedicated DevOps team dealing with the operation and the content management. We have one driving objective, which is to increase the CDS reliability and to improve the user experience.
At C3S, we create applications and workflows that are relevant to different sectors. And those workflows, those applications directly operate on the data and often make the data of different nature to interoperate. Building those applications means, on the one side, engaging with the user community through domain specialists. It means to brainstorm on how to present the data, but it means also to co-develop code within the infrastructure, all the needed software tools. And it means to maintain, to correct, and to evolve based on evolving user needs and evolving technology.
C3S is a truly European operational service built upon the valuable input from more than 300 service providers. Operational can also mean translating the dynamic scientific nature of this evolving service into commercial contractual agreements that requires efficient processes, constant collaboration and communication with the contractors, as well as agile and cost-effective approaches to the benefit of all C3S stakeholders.
Okay, well, in C3S, we have set up a unique quality assurance framework that contributes to making the service a trusted and authoritative source of climate information. So this basically means that all our data sets, tools, and applications undergo a routine and standardized quality control procedure. Also, on top of that, as part of our quality assurance, we are continuously analyzing a large number of user requirements to inform the evolution of the service and to make sure that the service actually meets the needs of our users.
The Copernicus Climate Change Service is not just about providing free access to quality control data. It's also about providing free user support, which is often overlooked but key to help users to get the most out of the data. Beyond handling user inquiries received by email, which is at the heart of user support activities, we focus on continuously developing self-help for users by providing quality control checked documentation by the Copernicus knowledge base, and also a user forum, which is a platform whereby users can interact with others, share, and learn from others' experiences. And in the near future, we will bring self-help to yet another level with bringing the virtual assistant on the climate data store. So watch this space.
Every day, petabytes of data are produced and added to the CDS. We make use of these to provide information services. The moment the month has ended, the machinery starts to automatically produce the graphics and data needed for our monthly bulletins. Within days, they are packaged into concise summaries that are provided for direct use and also further refined by us to be used in bespoke media productions. In a similar fashion, but with a larger scope to encompass a wider range of data, we launch into the production of the C3S, European State of the Climate, a snapshot of the year that was, through the lens of a changing climate.
To communicate successfully as an operational climate change service, we have to position ourselves as providers of useful and desirable open information for decision making. We do this by raising visibility and trust through partnerships with audience relevant brands or events, by entering a news cycle through our press releases and media releases, and on topics of public interest and debate. And we feed our own channels through highly relevant visual content, but with clear routes through to our products, our tools, our quality assurance documentation, and of course our climate data.
A fundamental component of C3S as an operational service is training and knowledge transfer to help our users to make sense of our data. To achieve this, C3S provides a user learning service which offers free, systematic and country-specific training on the design and development of climate services based on C3S data, a platform with freely accessible e-learning material, a train-the-trainers approach to encourage sustainability and to achieve a higher impact. We also maintain flexibility to rapidly respond to particular needs and opportunities which may arise.
There is no such thing as the user. We need to embrace the principle of understanding specific needs and requirements of the different user communities. Speaking both the language of data as well as the language of the specific societal, economic or environmental challenges are equally important, and both need to be matched to find solutions. We therefore plan to map the data value chains, and based on our specific role, we invest in co-design and collaboration with domain specialists and local user representatives to maximize uptake. For us, the European Union institutions and bodies, as well as European national and regional public authorities, are our main clients. To achieve our objectives, we seek close collaboration with research organizations, SMEs, and other private companies to develop data-driven solutions for the challenges of today and tomorrow.